Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. Today I wanted to demonstrate how you can make sticker sets for Redbubble to sell on Redbubble. So I'm kind of just going to demonstrate that today. So a sticker set is something similar to this image that you see here on my screen, which is kind of multiple different little stickers that are separate from each other, and when they print the product and somebody buys the product on Redbubble and they print it and ship it to them, it will cut out each individual sticker properly. So I wanted to kind of demonstrate how to do that. So you can see here I have these kind of little Valentine's Day hearts and doodles and stuff here. It's almost Valentine's Day now, so I thought it would be kind of cute to make some of that sort of stuff. So I have this image in Photoshop, and you can see over on the right here I have each item is kind of on its own layer. So if you're using some hand-drawn doodles or graphics like that, you want to you know, scan them or somehow get them onto your computer in an image editing program, and then you know, clip each individual item and put it on its own layer so you can move them around. So to get them to make sure that they're all like separate little cutouts here, you want to make sure that they're all like kind of far away from each other. So I'm just gonna sort of move these around, make sure there's like ample space between each individual piece that I want. So like that looks pretty good. We'll see how that works out. So I'm gonna remove the background here. I just kind of had that so I could see everything I was working with. And now you can see this sort of checkered pattern in the background, and that means that it's transparent. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as a PNG file. Okay, so I've got it saved now as a PNG file, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Redbubble. Okay, so I'm going to upload this to Redbubble now. So, okay, we're basically gonna just disable everything that isn't the sticker. And actually you can see here it worked perfectly. So if you open it up, you can see that there's got a white line outside all of them. So yeah, that worked perfectly. So if the white is like touching, when it's printed, it's not going to be two separate stickers. So you want to maybe fiddle around with that and just make sure that it's got ample space in between everything. I could even probably make these a little bit bigger. Yeah, and basically that's it. So I just go ahead and just disable everything that isn't the sticker, and it's going to be stickers and magnets actually, and the magnets are fine. I leave the magnets on. So everything is just getting disabled, and then in the tags I'm going to make sure that I put like bundle and set and pack, because those are what people are going to be looking for. I also have a collection of just sticker sets on my profile. So yeah, that's going to really help people to find that kind of thing. Yeah, and I mean that's pretty much it actually. So if this helped you at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have tons more Redbubble and print-on-demand tutorials, so make sure you check that out, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!